Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the latest in beauty and fragrance. Today, we're diving into the Gucci Flora Perfume for Women Variety Gift Set Mini Splashes, a luxurious offering from the renowned Gucci brand. This set features 4 mini eau de parfums, each capturing the essence of blooming gardens. Let's break down what this gift set is all about. The Gucci Flora Perfume Variety Gift Set includes 4 mini fragrances, each 0.16 fel Ots. It consists of 2 bottles of Gorgeous Gardenia, along with Gorgeous Jasmine and Gorgeous Magnolia. These travel-friendly bottles allow you to indulge in Gucci's floral sophistication while on the go, making it a perfect gift or sampler set. What makes this collection even more special is that it's a limited edition, creating a sense of exclusivity and urgency for fragrance lovers. I've had the chance to test out this fragrance set, and here's how it performed in real-world use. First off, the size of these mini splashes is perfect for travel. Whether you're on a weekend getaway or just want a fragrance to toss in your bag, these small bottles won't weigh you down. The scents themselves, Gorgeous Gardenia, Gorgeous Jasmine, and Gorgeous Magnolia, each have their own unique character, but they all share a light floral undertone. Gorgeous Gardenia is the most vibrant of the bunch, with a fresh and sweet profile, while Gorgeous Jasmine leans a bit more sensual and smooth. Gorgeous Magnolia is slightly more delicate, offering a soft, fresh floral scent. The longevity of these perfumes, while not long-lasting like a full-size bottle, is still respectable for the size. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this set offers a variety of fragrances, so you can experiment with different scents without committing to a full-size bottle. The travel-friendly design is also a big win, and you get to experience the luxury of Gucci without paying the hefty price for a larger bottle. The high-quality fragrances live up to the Gucci name with well-balanced floral notes that aren't overpowering. On the flip side, because these are mini sizes, they're not ideal for someone looking for a long-lasting fragrance throughout the day. Additionally, the set might not offer as much variety as some might hope. Given that it focuses on just a few variations within the floral scent family, is this set worth the price? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you're a Gucci fan or you enjoy floral perfumes with a touch of luxury, then this set is a great way to sample different scents without breaking the bank. However, if you're seeking something with more lasting power or a wider range of fragrance profiles, this might not be the set for you. When compared to other perfume gift sets, especially those within a similar price range, Gucci's Flora set stands out for its brand prestige and the quality of its scents. However, for those on a tighter budget, there are similar floral fragrance samplers from other luxury brands that might be more affordable. Still, Gucci delivers a refined experience in this set, even if it's a bit more niche. In terms of build quality, the packaging and bottles are elegant and travel-friendly. Each fragrance is housed in a compact glass vial with a sleek design, making it a pleasant addition to any vanity or bag. While the longevity of the scent could be better, the presentation definitely speaks to Gucci's reputation for creating luxury products. If you've interacted with Gucci's customer support, you know they're known for being responsive and professional. I didn't need to reach out for this particular set, but Gucci's reputation suggests that any queries would be handled with care and expertise. So should you purchase this set? If you're looking for an elegant, travel-sized way to experience Gucci Flora's floral scents, this set is definitely worth considering. But if you're after something with more lasting power or a wider variety of fragrance families, you may want to look elsewhere. Before I wrap up, if you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell so that other fragrance enthusiasts can find this review too. Thank you so much for joining me here today at Beautyistic. The link to get the Gucci Flora Perfume Variety Gift Set can be found in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried this set or if you have any questions about it. I love hearing your thoughts. Until next time, stay fabulous. And remember to embrace your beauty in all its forms.